Google just dropped a small new update to its AI image generator. I'm talking about Imagen 4. And as you can see, it's now officially live and ready to use in the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. Let's break down what's new. First up, we're not just getting one model, but a whole family. They've launched the new Imagen 4 Fast, which is built for speed and high volume generation at a super low cost. This sits right alongside the powerful flagship Imagen 4 and the top-tier Imagen 4 Ultra for when you need the absolute highest quality and prompt adherence. And here's a huge deal for creators. Both Imagen 4 and Imagen 4 Ultra now support generation up to a stunning 2K resolution. We're talking incredibly detailed and crisp visuals, perfect for professional work. Just look at some of these official examples. The photorealism on this landscape is insane. They're also showing off its ability to create comics, and even this awesome retro sci-fi poster. Pay close attention to the text on this one. We're going to come back to that later. And it's all watermarked with Synth ID for responsible AI, which is great to see. Now let's jump into Google AI Studio and find out. We'll head over to the Generate Media tab and select Imagen. Now on the right, this is where the magic happens. We can click here to choose between the new models. And right below, we can set that output resolution to 1K or the new 2K. For our first test, let's select Imagen 4 Fast. We'll ask for 4 results and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. I've got a pretty complex surreal prompt ready to go. Let's paste it in and hit run. Watch this. That was incredibly quick. We're talking just a few seconds. And boom, 4 amazing images. Look at the lighting, the creativity, the different interpretations of the prompt. For a model called Fast, the quality here is seriously impressive. Okay, but what about maximum quality and that text rendering I mentioned? I'm grabbing the exact prompt for that retro sci-fi movie poster we saw earlier. This is the ultimate test. We're switching the model to Imagen 4 Ultra and bumping the resolution up to 2K. Let's see if it can handle that tricky text. Oh wow, look at that! This is what sets Imagen 4 apart. The text is almost perfect. Super galactic, the last nebula, it's spelled correctly and perfectly integrated into the art style. This has been a huge challenge for AI image models, and Imagen 4 Ultra is absolutely crushing it. Now let's check out that 2K quality. I've got another generation here of a busy New York street. I'm just going to download this top image right here, and now let's open it up. Look at this. We can zoom right in and see all the incredible detail in the steam, the reflections on the cars, the people's faces, no pixelation, just a crisp, high-resolution image ready for any project. So there you have it. The new Imagen 4 family in Google AI Studio is a complete game changer, offering an amazing balance of speed, incredible quality, and breakthrough features like 2K resolution and accurate text generation. What are you going to create with it? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates.